Okay, so I want to do a tutorial on how to just get like an effortless. I woke up like this kind of look. Now, I'm doing this after I did the tutorial of just blowing it out, waking up with dry hair and just re-blow drying it to give it some volume. So that's kind of the foundation I'm using right now. But this is easy for anybody because you don't have to have anything perfect. So you're literally gonna go in and just take large chunks. Bringing the bang back because I want volume. Now I'm gonna switch arms, okay? In your head, switch arms. You want the tip of the curling iron to be facing the ground always. That's the main key. A lot of people say they do one side well and then they mess up the other side, but that's because you're probably not switching arms. Then we are going to do over. And a little bit of the hair resort. And that took 2 minutes. And then there you go. Effortless curl in 2 minutes.